I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating an ESIM with Rogers on your Android device can be a bit tricky, but following these steps will make it easier. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before you start, ensure your Android device is ESIM compatible. You can usually find this information in the device's specifications or settings. Step 2. Get your ESIM QR code. Log into your Rogers account or contact customer service to obtain your ESIM QR code. This code is essential for activation. Step 3. Open mobile network settings. On your Android device, go to Settings, then tap on Network and Internet. From there, select Mobile Network. Step 4. Add mobile plan. In the Mobile Network section, look for the option to add mobile plan. Tap on it and then choose to scan the QR code you received from Rogers. Step 5. Follow on-screen instructions. After scanning the QR code, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the activation process. Make sure to restart your device if prompted. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double-check that you have a stable internet connection during the activation process. Good luck with your ESIM setup.